MaxRemote in the M-Series remote app for iPhone and iOS allows remote wireless control of your MPC software or an M-Series console. This handy tool can be used for many applications, including remote focus, remote cue execution, and fixture testing. In order to use the remote, you must have a wireless access point attached to your PC or console. The device running the app must then be connected to your wireless access point. To set up MaxRemote, you'll need to click the blue Quick menu in the upper left-hand corner, go back to Menu, and find Network. We'll go back to the screen with the network interfaces here at the bottom. Select the network interface that you want to use for MaxRemote. On a PC, this is probably going to be your wireless card, but on a console, this is going to be the wired interface connected to a wireless access point. In Options, turn on MaxRemote. Once you hit Apply, you'll then be able to open the MaxRemote application on your device and access the show file as long as you're on the same network.